This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? First, remove the watch from your wrist and unlock it so it won't react while you work. Place the device face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Locate the two small band release buttons on the back. They are recessed so you don't press other controls. Once found, press and hold one release button firmly with your thumb while you prepare to slide the band out. This gives you control and prevents accidental movement during removal. Now you'll remove the band. Press and hold a release button, then slide the corresponding band piece straight out parallel to the watch body. Do not twist. You should feel it disengage. If it resists, keep holding the button and apply steady, even pressure while maintaining alignment. Once one side is free, set it aside. Then repeat the exact procedure for the other half. Paying attention to a straight, smooth motion prevents damage to the rail and keeps the metal contacts and latches aligned. Finish by checking the strap rails and recess for dirt or lint. Debris often causes jamming, so clean gently with a soft brush or lint-free cloth. If a band still won't slide out, press the release button fully and try a slight rocking motion while pulling straight. Do not force. For metal adapters that stick, lightly wipe edges with a 70% isopropyl cloth, avoiding openings. When reattaching, slide until you hear a click and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.